What if I told you that making money while you sleep isn't just a dream? Whether you want extra cash or financial freedom, passive income is the key. In this video, I'll share 25 passive income ideas. Some of them can make you thousands every month with little effort. Why passive income? Relying on a single source of income is risky. What happens if you lose your job or an unexpected expense arises? Having multiple income streams can give you financial security, help you achieve your goals faster, and even allow you to retire early. Passive income lets you earn money without constantly trading your time for it, giving you more freedom to enjoy life. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build long-term wealth, these ideas can help you get started. Stick around till the end for the most profitable one. Let's dive in. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Imagine getting paid just for owning a stock. Yes, it's real. Dividend stocks pay you regularly for simply holding shares in a company. Big companies like Coca-Cola and Apple share their profits with investors. Invest wisely, and you'll build a growing income stream. Number 2. Real estate rentals. Owning property means collecting rent while someone else pays your mortgage. Invest in rental properties, and you can earn consistent monthly income. Short-term rentals on Airbnb can be even more profitable. Number 3. Real estate investment trusts. Want real estate income but don't want the hassle of tenants? REITs let you invest in real estate without owning physical property. They pay dividends and require no property management. Number 4. Bonds and fixed income investments. Bonds provide stable, predictable interest payments. Government and corporate bonds can generate safe, passive income. Number 5. Index funds and ETFs. What if I told you the world's richest investors use this simple strategy? Instead of picking stocks, index funds let you invest in the entire market. Over time, they grow, and you collect dividends with minimal effort. If you find these passive income ideas valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new ways to build wealth. On Blackboard Finance, we break down smart money strategies, side hustles, and passive income ideas to help you achieve financial freedom. Don't miss out on our future videos. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Become the bank and earn interest on your money. Platforms like lendingclub.com let you lend money to others in exchange for interest payments. Number 7. Cryptocurrency staking. Get paid just for holding crypto. Some cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, let you earn rewards just by holding and staking them. Number 8. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Free money? Almost. These accounts earn you interest while keeping your money safe. Not the highest return, but completely passive. Number 9. Print-on-demand business. Get paid for your creativity without holding any inventory. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and more on Redbubble or Teespring without worrying about printing or shipping. Number 10. Selling digital products. Create it once, sell it forever. Digital downloads like planners, templates, or stock music can bring in cash for years. Number 11. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and get paid. No selling required. Share affiliate links on a blog, YouTube, or social media and earn commissions whenever someone buys through your link. Number 12. Dropshipping. Own an online store without touching a single product. Dropshipping lets you sell products without keeping inventory. Your supplier ships directly to customers. Number 13. Selling online courses. Your knowledge can be worth thousands. If you're good at something, create a course on Udemy or Teachable and earn money every time someone enrolls. Number 14. YouTube automation faceless channel. Make money on YouTube without showing your face. AI voices, stock footage, and niche content can bring in ad revenue month after month. Number 15. Mobile app development. One app can make you rich. Develop an app once and earn money through downloads, ads, or in-app purchases. Number 16. Write a book and earn royalties. Become an author and earn for a lifetime. Self-publish on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and get paid whenever someone buys your book. Number 17. Blogging with ads. A blog post you write today can make money for years. Monetize your blog through ads and sponsorships and earn a passive income every month. Number 18. License your photography or videos. Sell your photos and videos without lifting a finger. Upload to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images and earn passive royalties. Number 19. Podcast monetization. Talk about what you love and get paid for it. Podcasts earn money through sponsorships, memberships, and listener donations. Number 20. Rent out storage space. Got extra space? Turn it into cash. Platforms like Neighbor.com let you rent out your unused garage or attic. Number 21. Car rental on Turo. Let your car make money when you're not using it. Rent your vehicle on Turo.com and earn without lifting a finger. Number 22. ATM ownership. Own an ATM, collect fees, and watch the money roll in. Every transaction earns you a cut. Simple and effective. Number 23. Vending machine business. Stock it, forget it, and collect cash. A single machine in the right location can make hundreds per month. Number 24. Rent out equipment or tools. Got tools collecting dust? Put them to work. Rent out camera gear, power tools, or even camping equipment for easy cash. Number 25. Invest in farmland. Land is valuable, and people will always need food. Buy farmland and lease it to farmers for a steady income stream. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about setting up systems that pay you over time. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more ways to make money, be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.